Hey guys, this is Zane. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Timing. A perfectly timed Ollie is going to lead to the highest Ollie that you can do. It's no wonder this is the most frequently asked question I get on how to Ollie. And for a lot of new skateboarders, they're thinking of as pop, slide, jump. But I'm going to show you that's actually not the case. If you want your Ollie to look something like this, keep watching this video for a perfectly timed Ollie. Okay, pop, slide, jump. You've probably heard this 100 times by now, and there's a reason why it's not working. Did that look like 3 separate movements or one movement to you? The aha moment occurs after you've been practicing incorrectly for a long time, smacking your board, trying to slide your foot up, not realizing you have to jump and create a weightlessness at the moment of your board popping and your foot sliding. So let's begin with the pop and slide. Notice right here, before I even pop my tail, my front foot is already on its way up the nose. People think I need to pop and then slide, but in reality, the slide needs to be happening as you're pushing down on your tail. So as your tail is going down, your front foot should already be sliding up. This is how you master the difference between jumping off the ground and jumping with your board. When you're popping and sliding your foot at the same time, you're essentially bringing the board into the air with you as you jump. Instead of putting that heavy foot down on the ground and trying to slide and trying to jump all at once and hoping to get that leveled Ollie, if you don't have the weightlessness from a correct pop, even if you slide your foot, you're not going to get off the ground. Your Ollie might look something like this, but so was mine at one point. This is precisely the problem. You're trying to time a single movement into 3 pieces of a pop, slide, and a jump. But in reality, you need to think of them and feel them as a single movement. Well, that's all for today's video. I appreciate anyone who watches, comments, or subscribes to my channel. And yeah, let me know what kind of videos you guys like to see in the future. Have a great day. Remember, go skate.